Hi, everyone. Louise Marshall from RosterElf welcomes you to this quick walkthrough on requesting and managing leave. Whether you are planning a holiday or needing a personal day, these simple steps will help you lodge, track, and tidy up your leave requests with confidence. How to submit a leave request. Click the My Calendar tab to open your personal calendar view. Click Request Leave on the right-hand side. Enter your leave dates and a short reason so your manager knows exactly why you are away. Click Save to send the request straight to your manager for approval. How to manage or delete pending leave. Click the My Calendar tab to see your upcoming requests. Find the pending leave date and click it to open the details. Click Delete Leave if plans change and you no longer need the time off. How to review all past and approved requests. Click Request Leave again to open the leave modal. Tap Pending to view outstanding requests or Approved to see future approved leave. Press the X next to any entry you no longer require, then confirm the deletion. Open Archived to look back at every past request, including those denied or unaddressed. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is always here to help. Happy rostering, and see you next time.